So we got the green and the white for the garlic press. I wanted some, well, like baby's breath. Like baby's breath, but not really baby's breath, some little white dotty flowers. And you could use a plunger cutter, but it didn't seem like it was quite what I wanted. So I got my garlic press out. And all you gotta do is, get the yellow off it, is press through. And then you gather it up. And it makes like, you know, like little clumps of baby's breath. And I wouldn't want them that big. So split them up. So see, I got little clumps of flowers. So I wanted these little white clumps. I don't know if I'm going to use them yet, but I got them and I knew how I was going to make them. And, you know, they look like you took a lot of nonpareils and sprinkled them in groups, which you could also do too, by the way. So you just gather it up in a group, and then divide them up into smaller groups. Okay, so that's all there is to that. I just happen to like the holes on this thing better than anything else. It's just the perfect tool. And it is a food tool. And then the last thing is this disc here. It's just a circle. It's like a number 4 tip, I think. It's got something stuck in it, so I'm gonna clean it out. There we go. All right. And what I want to do is I want to make like thread, like a running stitch on it. So let me show you what I'm gonna do. I'm going to use some of the green. This green is a little dry, so let me add some shortening to it to try to rehydrate it a little bit. Okay, put it in there, put in the tip. And hopefully I can crank this out. Like I says, it looks like a number 4 or number 5. Okay. And what I'm gonna do is take that in half and twirl it together. Like it's 2 threads. And I press and twirl like they're 2 threads. Okay. And see how I've pressed them a little bit here so they kind of stick together. When I press them, I'm kind of giving them a little twist so it looks like 2 pieces of thread. So almost like a rope. More like those braids. Part of it's sticking. Probably I might need some water. It's really dry, so I might need some water to help it along. But you get the general idea. And what this is it's going to be a vine. It's kind of long, so we'll just stop it there. Now, let's get this stuff on the cake.